Hello friends, back with another video, and this time we have taken this yellow color paper. We are cutting it out to the shape, and after pasting all the cutout pieces one by one on top of one another, and on taking this nice green color strip or the stick, this is how we are trying to make a nice flower here. And with the help of this green color paper, we will try to make leaves also, so that our flower will look more attractive. And this is how we have made it so nicely, our very beautiful flowers. Next we are trying to make nice peacock, and here we are taking this green color and cutting it out with the peacock face, and taking the other parts we are trying to make nice feather look after folding it to something like this. And this is how we will paste and make its feathers, and this is how we will decorate its feathers with the help of other colors. Now we are taking another color paper, and this is how we have folded it out. Now after folding to the shape, and this is how from the back part we are trying to fold, and after folding it to further shape, this is how we are trying to fold it and make something like this. And after that again we are trying to fold it out and creating this nice shape, and we are rolling it out with the help of this stick, so that it will make a nice flower look here. Similarly, different colors of flowers can be made, and put this yellow thing inside that. And here we have made a nice flower. Next we are taking another colored paper, and this is how we are trying to fold. After folding it out, we are opening the above part and creating this nice shape here, so that it will give a nice heart shape here. And this is how we will fold it aside and create this nice heart shape. And taking this nice yellow color paper, making a nice strip, put all the hearts one by one and fold it out further, so that it will make a nice specs. Now taking another paper, this is how we are trying to fold. After folding it out, we are trying to make a nice dress, and this is how we are trying to make a frog look here. And above that it's a nice top on top, and this is how we are trying to take another colored, so that we can create this nice top, and below that we can have this nice frog look. This is how we are trying to create patterns and making a nice frog out of this colored paper. And this way we have designed our own cloth. Now it's two-sided pattern paper we have taken, and this is how we are trying to fold and creating this nice pattern here. This is how we are trying to fold it further, and we have created a nice two-sided printed pattern over here. Similarly, all the sides we can create it, and after tilting it there from the to the back side, this is how we are trying to make a nice lovely pattern here, and it will look like a nice two patterned look here. And this is how we can put the cartoons over there.